So guys, have you ever tried this gizzard fried rice? Let me show you how to prepare it, and it turns out so delicious. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. So to begin, go ahead and boil your gizzard, but before then, make sure your gizzard is well cleaned. So I skipped when I was washing them. Okay guys, it's already washed and clean. Then add in your sliced onions and some thyme, salt to taste, Maggi seasonings. Just season with any seasonings of your choice. Then add some bay leaf, stir together. After that, then cover it and allow it to cook. Keep watching. So at this stage, I will go ahead and start washing the rice. And for the rice, I'm using Basmati rice. So what I did here is to wash it with warm water about 2 to 3 times, then parboil a little bit and rinse again before I start cooking it. At this stage, I'll be introducing my paprikas and onions with some garlic and ginger. I'm going to blend everything together without water. So please take note, you don't have to blend your peppers with some water, because to achieve a good result on this recipe, you don't need to blend anything with water. Okay guys, so keep watching. So at this stage, we are going to be checking the gizzard. Right now it's looking good. It has already boiled. I'm going to remove it out from the water and fry it. Okay guys, keep watching. So my lovelies, after you are done frying your gizzard, go ahead and slice your bell peppers. And for the recipe, I'm using bell peppers, green, red, yellow, with some fresh onions and spring onions also. And to begin with the frying, next add a frying pan on your fire. Then use the same oil that you used to fry the gizzard. Use it to fry the sauce. As for the oil, season with some thyme. Next, with your chopped onions, stir and allow it to fry a bit. After that, go in with your tomato paste. Just add in a little bit of tomato paste. Then stir and allow it to fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay guys, keep watching. So at this stage, I will be adding in the chili powder, curry powder, Just feel free to season with any seasonings of your choice, but these are the ingredients I use. Feel free to check the description box. I'm going to list out all the things I use for this recipe. Make sure you give it a good stir. Next is to add in your blend peppers, the paprika, ginger and garlic that we blended. Just add it inside and give it a good mix. Keep watching. So at this stage, I'm going to season it with some Maggi seasoning. Feel free to season with any seasonings of your choice, like I said. Then give it a good stir. Next, go ahead and pour in the parboiled rice and also the fried gizzard. At this stage, guys, just gently give it a good stir. Make sure everything is well combined together. Keep watching. So my lovelies, if today is your first time coming across my video, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Can we be friends? By clicking that sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, I heart you guys. So my lovelies, go ahead and add in your bell peppers. I've already washed and sliced them, so all I did is just add it in and give it a good stir. And la, just garnish it with your spring onions, and your gizzard fried rice is ready to enjoy. Guys, this recipe is so delicious. Like I always said, a trial will convince you. The outcome is something else. To be honest, it was fun making this delicious gizzard fried rice. Everybody enjoyed it. My Odogu husband loved it. It has been a long time I prepared it in the house and everybody enjoyed it. Okay, my lovelies, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you watch this video to this extent, thank you so much, and see you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye. Ciao.